How to stream Valorant on OBS Studio. So first you will need to open up your OBS Studio like this, and then you will need to set up a scene and sources. Now in the sources you want to click on the plus sign, and then you want to choose game capture to capture the game window specifically. You can also give it a name if you want to, such as Valorant. Then click on OK. And now you want to click on the mode and whether you want to capture the full screen application or a specific window. In this case, you want to capture a specific window and then choose Valorant from here. Now, if you don't see Valorant in this list, that means it's not running. So first you will need to run Valorant and then probably find it in this list. And if you still can't see it, you will need to restart OBS by closing it and open it again, and then you should see Valorant in this list and select it. And then you should basically set this to match window title, which is the default one. You can also check capture audio to capture the game audio, and you can check capture cursor as well if you want to capture the cursor. So we want to enable both of these options. Now make sure the game is selected in the window here, which is the most important thing. Otherwise, you will see black screen. Then click on OK. And as you can see right here, make sure the game window source is at the top, so it's visible on your screen. And then you can use the eye to hide it and show it again if you want to. And then you can simply press the Start Streaming button while Valorant is open. And that should only capture Valorant from your computer and Valorant audio. So if you go back to desktop or go somewhere else, the screen might freeze or go black until you tab back to the game. Then your viewers should be able to see the game again and probably nothing else but the game and the game audio as well. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.